how to cash out on Draftkings. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Vesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily cash out on Draftkings. Now basically I'll be using this official Draftkings website. I'll leave the link in the description to guide you through. Now basically there are three different ways you can withdraw it: from the application, from the desktop or laptop, or from the mobile web browser. Now I'll be showing you through the application here how you can do it. First you want to log into your Draftkings application, tap your profile photo in the top left corner, then you want to scroll down and tap withdraw, review things to know before withdrawing, and click got it option. On the withdraw funds page, enter an amount for how much do you want to withdraw, and then tap continue. You want to select how would you like to receive your funds, and then tap request withdrawal and view a visual of navigating how to withdraw the Draftkings app. You can head into this link and view it. Similarly, if you want to do it on desktop or laptop, you want to head into Draftkings on desktop, click on your profile photo again, and then tap on account information, then click on my account option, and then click withdraw and go through the same prompts again, and you'll be able to withdraw. So this way you can cash out on Draftkings. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.